Research shows that immersing oneself in nature can enhance cognitive performance and mental clarity. A study found that just a short walk in a natural environment can improve attention and problem-solving skills compared to urban settings. This phenomenon, often referred to as nature therapy, highlights the brain's ability to recharge and reset when exposed to green spaces. Furthermore, individuals reported reduced stress levels after spending time in natural surroundings, demonstrating the profound impact of nature on mental well-being. Ultimately, incorporating regular nature breaks into daily life can lead to significant improvements in cognitive abilities and emotional health.